Hello student, I am well, hope that you are also well. In our last video we have discussed the introduction part of chapter 6 integers. Now we are going to start the exercise question, that is 6.1. Our first question goes, write the opposite of the following. So as in the introduction part I have already mentioned what will be the answer of the opposite of the sentences which are given. So it will be easy for you to do it. So here question number 1a is given increase in weight. As we can see the word increase, that means it is plus. So our opposite will be what? Decrease in weight. So answer is decrease in weight. Then B, 30 kilometer north is given. So 30 kilometer north since given, so our answer will be 30 kilometer south. 1c is given 326 BC before Christ. So our answer will be 326 AD after death. Then D, loss of rupees 700. So loss is given, so here it will be profit. Then E, 100 meter above sea level is given. So answer will be 100 meter below sea level. Now let's proceed to question number 2. Question number 2 given, represent the following number as integers with appropriate signs. So here are some statements and we have to see whether according to the statement the number should be positive or negative. Since it is given here an aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. So above word is there, so obviously positive, therefore plus 200 meter is there. A submarine is moving at a depth 8000 meter. By mistake I wrote the question 1000 here, it should be 100. Okay, in your question means in the book your question is given 800 meter. So 800 meter below the sea level. So below word we have seen, so obviously it will be minus, therefore minus 800 meter. Then again to see a deposit of rupees 200. Deposit means add, so plus 200 rupees. Again withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal means taken out, so minus, so minus 700 rupees. Very easy, isn't it? Now let's move to question number 3. Question number 3, represent the following number on number line. So in a number line we have to show this following numbers whatever is given. 3a plus 5, then 3b minus 10, 3c plus 8, 3d minus 1 and 3e minus 6. You can represent it in one by one in separate lines, or else if you want in one particular line also you can show them by representing them with some alphabet like A, B, C, D. Here I have shown separately, but you can do it in one line also. So let's see. 3a plus 5 is given. So this is in the middle we have written this 0, and in the left side all the negative numbers, right side all the positive numbers, and where 5 is there I have given one arrow mark and we can represent it as A. Okay, so this A represent 5. You can give the alphabet, or else if you don't want then okay, but you have to show either by giving arrow mark or by circle it. You have to show that this particular is the answer, number is the answer. Okay, now 3b minus 10 is given. So minus 10, same way here the positive means 0 is there, right side positive, and all these negative numbers are there. This is minus 10, just circle it. Okay, now 3c is given plus 8. So same way positive number after 0, right side positive number, this side negative number. So this is plus 8. Then minus 1, same way positive number, negative number, 0 is there, this is minus 1. Then again 0 is there, positive number, negative number, and this is minus 6. So this way you can represent, or else in full one number line, 0 here, then minus 1, sorry, not minus 1, this is right side positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, till what number you need in the question, you can do minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, as per the question you have to write. Then one by one you can show by giving arrow mark like A, wherever needed like B. This way also you can do, no problem. Now let's move to question number 4. So now question number 4, adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. So here given one vertical number line, okay. First D, C, B, they are representing it with some alphabets, letters. So first one D is given positive number, that is this side positive numbers are given, plus 8 is given. So we can identify if it is plus 8, the below one will be what? Plus 7, then plus 6, plus, then C will be what? Plus 5, B will be plus 4, then the blank one will be plus 3, A will be plus 2, then plus 1, then obviously 0 is there. Then again 1, B, this H will be minus 1, then H will be minus 2, then minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, G will be minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, F will be minus 8, then minus 9, minus 10. So this way we have to answer. Let's see the question now. If point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? We have to answer that. D is plus 8, just to answer, this is 0. So after 0 only minus 1, which will be minus 8 they have asked, okay. So I have made it bigger. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So F will be minus 8. Okay, F. Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? So Z here it is given. Obviously, if above the 0 here lies all the positive numbers, then obviously this side will be negative. So G lies here. So G will be negative only. So G is a negative integer. Write integers for point B and E. We have to write the integers. See, B will be what you see? Just we have discussed before only. So plus 8, plus 7, plus 6, plus 5. B will be plus 4. Plus 4. And again they have asked this E will be what? So E is in the last. So since 0 is there, now F we understood it is what? Minus 8. So minus 9, minus 10. Yes, so E will be minus 10. Then which point mark on this number line has the least value? Least value, you all know which is having the least value. Nearby, in the right side of the number line, where positive number lines, all those are bigger than the number lies on the left hand side. So after 0, minus 1 is there. Minus 1 is bigger than minus 2. Yes, then minus 3 is bigger than minus 3. Obviously, the number which will lie in E will be the least value. So in E, what is the value? Minus 10. They have only asked which point on the number line. So E is the point on the number line which will be having the least value. Then arrange all the points in decreasing order. We have to arrange them in decreasing order. So from bigger to smaller. So we all know D is the highest here because plus 8. So we have to arrange the alphabet only. So arranging them in ascending order, it will be what? Decreasing order from bigger to smaller. Okay. So D, C, B, A, H, G, F, E. Hope so you have understood this question number 4. Let's proceed to question number 5 now. So here goes question number 5. Following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. So here places name are given and temperatures are given. Then our first question is given that write the temperature of these places in the form of integer in the blank column. In the blank column we have to write the integers depending on the sentence statement. Okay, so you can see CSN is given 10 degree below 0 degree. Obviously below is given, that means our answer will be what? Minus 10 degree Celsius. Then Shimla, it is given 2 degree below 0 degree, so obviously again minus 2. 30 degree above, so plus 30. 20 degree above, so plus 20. 5 degree below, so minus 5. It's clear till here? Now question 5b. Following is the number line representing the temperature in the degree Celsius. As we have filled up the degrees, now a number line is there. According to that, we have to mark the name of the places. So you can see here the name of the places. Siachen is given minus 10. So this is minus 10. I have marked Siachen here. Then Shimla minus 2. Since 0 is there, then 0 and minus 5, in between 5 lines are there. So minus 2 is Shimla. Then Ahmedabad plus 30. So here I have mentioned. Delhi plus 20. Here I have mentioned. And Srinagar minus 5. Here it is mentioned. Then question number 5c. Which is the coolest place? Coolest means what? Coolest means the number which is having the lowest value. So we can see from this particular places the lowest value only this Siachen is having, that is minus 10. Means negative are minus 2, minus 10 and minus 5. Among those the least value is minus 10, and minus 10 degrees Celsius is the temperature of which place? Siachen. So our answer will be Siachen. Write the name of the place where temperature are above 10 degree. So above 10 degree we can see plus 10 degree, more than 10 degree. So 30 and 20 we can see. So which places? Ahmedabad and Delhi. So answer is Ahmedabad and Delhi. Now let's proceed to question 6. Question number 6 is given. In each of the following pair, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? We all know in the right hand side of 0 all the positive number lies, and in the left hand side of 0 on the number line all the negative number lies. So means right hand side numbers are bigger than the left hand side number. Either it can be in case of negative positive, or it can be in case of positive positive also. That means 1 and 2. Obviously 2 is in the right of 1. So 2 will be bigger than 1. And in case of negative also, minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 is in the right of minus 2. So minus 1 will be bigger than minus 2. Yes, obviously it is in case of positive negative. Directly we can say positive numbers are bigger, but in case of negative negative also, and in case of positive positive also, I have just explained you. So it will be easy for you to understand. Here 2 and 9 is given. So obviously 9 is bigger than 2. So 9 is to the right of 2. 9 is right to 2. Okay, on the number line. Then B, minus 3 and minus 8. So which is lying in the right hand side? Minus 3 is in the right hand side of minus 8. So minus is right to minus 8. Then C, 0 and minus 1. We all know 0 is lesser than all the positive number, but 0 is greater than all the negative numbers. So negative 1 negative is given. That means 0 will be to the right of that negative number, that is minus 1. Then D, minus 11, minus 10. So minus 11 and 10. So obviously positive number will be bigger. So 10 is to the right of minus 11. Then minus 6 and 6, same way. 6 will be right to minus 6. And F, same way, positive negative. What is the digit? It doesn't matter. Okay, first of all, in case of negative positive, digit doesn't matter. The sign matters first. And then when same sign, then we will see. Then here 1 and minus 100 is there. So 1 is positive, therefore 1 is right to minus 100. So question number 6 over. Now we will proceed to question number 7. Question number 7 given. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in increasing order from smallest to greatest. We have to write them. 0 and minus 7 is given. Okay. What are the integers lying in between 0 and minus 7? So 0 is in the middle and minus 7 obviously in the left hand side of it. From starting from the after 0 left hand side, which is the number minus 1. So we can write in that way also. We can write in from starting from minus 6 also, but since they have given in increasing order from smallest to greatest, so we have to write from minus 6. So minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, because after minus 1 0 will be there, so we need not have to write 0 again. Then again minus 4 and 4, so negative side minus 4, positive side 4, since we have to write in increasing order, so starting from minus 3, so minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then C, 7C is given minus 8 and minus 15. So both are lying on the negative side only, means left hand side only. Since we have to write in increasing order, so starting from minus 14, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. Then 7D, minus 30 and minus 23. Same way left hand side, since we have to write in increasing order, so starting from minus 29. Minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24. Okay, very easy one. Now let's proceed to question number 8. Question number 8 given, write for negative integers greater than minus 20. So it should be greater than minus 20. We have to write for negative integers. Minus 21 we cannot write. Why? Because minus 21 is lesser than minus 20. Here we have to write greater than minus 20. So the answer will be minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. Then again given, write for negative integer less than minus 10. Minus 11 we can write because minus 11 is lesser than minus 10. So minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14 are the integers which are lesser than minus 10. Question number 9 given, for a following statement write true or false if the means T or F. If the statement is false, correct the statement. Okay. So I have not written the reason here. You have to write the reason by yourself. I will mention, but you have to write the reason by yourself. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on the number line. Both are negative, negative. But after 0, we can see minus 8 comes first, then minus 10 comes. So that means minus is in the right of minus 10. So it is correct. True. Then question number 9b given, minus 100 is the right of minus 50 on the number line. But 50 comes before minus 100. So here answer is false because minus 50 is to the right of minus 100 on the number line. So your answer should be minus 50 is the right of minus 100 on the number line. The reason why it is false. Then C, smallest negative integer is minus 1. Minus 1 is not the smallest negative integer. It is the greatest negative integer since it is just after 0 on the left hand side. Minus 26 is larger than minus 25. We all know in case of negative, the digit which is smaller is bigger. So minus 25 is larger than 26, minus 26. Okay. Now let's move to question 10. The question is given, draw a number line and answer the following. So number line we all know, in the middle 0 lies, in the right hand side all the positive number, in the left hand side all the negative numbers. Here question is given, draw a number line. Will you reach if you move 4 number to the right of minus 2. Since minus 2 is here, we have to move right side 4 numbers. So we are moving 4 times from minus 2. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So which number we reach? 2. So our answer will be 2. Then 10b, which number will you reach if you move 5 numbers to the left of 1? So here 1 is there and we have to move 5 numbers to the left of 1. So left side we are moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we are moving and we reach minus 4. So here our answer will be minus 4. Then this C, 10C is given. Question, if we are at minus 8, okay, we are on the minus 8 on the number line. In which direction should we move to reach minus 13? So 0 is here. Suppose this way if we are moving, minus 8 is there. we will reach minus 8 first, then minus 13 will be here. We are at minus 8 and we have to move to minus 13. Then which direction will we move? We will move to the left hand side. So our answer will be on the left side. Then same way, then D is given. If we are in minus 6, we are at minus 6 on the number line. In which direction should we move to reach minus 1? Okay. Just one more here, minus 1 is there, then minus 2, minus 3 this way, then minus 6 we will reach. We are at minus 6 and we have to move to minus 1. Obviously, we have to move to the right hand side. So answer will be on the right side. So this is the end of exercise 6.1, chapter 6, integer. Hope so you have understood it well. Thank you and have a nice day.